always equals the set point. B, can be measured. C, changes too often to be recorded. D, seldom changes. That is correct. In process control, the set point is A, a control that regulates a variable. That is correct. In a process control system, the first step in the cycle of 4 essential acts is A. That is correct. In the PC board factory, pressure and temperature recipes are stored as programs in the... That is correct. Measurement of beer production for tax purposes depends on accurate A, color detectors. B, that is not correct. The in-transit scale is an example of an instrument that measures A. That is not correct. A vision sensor can be used to check for consistency of... That is correct. The difference between the measurement signal and the desired value is referred to as the A, control point. B, error. That is correct. Signal evaluation is the determination of A, direction and speed of error. That is correct. The main difference between open and closed-loop systems is that the closed-loop system has A, feedback. That is correct. Signal. B, an ASCII signal. C, a binary signal. D, that is correct. The binary number 00001111, that is not correct. ASCII is the code most often used to represent. That is correct. If a tank contains 75 pounds of water and the bottom of the tank has an area of 25 square inches, the pressure on the bottom is blank psi. That is correct. A modern level measurement device that generates a current signal in proportion to the amount of gas which is ionized is the... That is not correct. This equation is the formula for determining A, flow rate, B, level, C, pressure. That is correct. Which of the following generates digital pulses? A, delta P transmitter. B, encoder. That is correct. The controller compares the measurement of a process variable to the A, control point. B, error signal. C, offset. D, set. That is correct. The valve, pump, or other device that directly regulates a process is called the A, controller. B, final control element. C, primary element. That is correct. Which of the following provides the most complete control? That is correct. A, amplifier. B, encoder. C, inductor. D, torque converter. That is not correct. In a motor speed sensor system, the signal that is preset is the A. That is correct. If you know the input value of a variable, the transfer function can help you determine the A, amplification factor. B, that is correct. Air supply for a pneumatic transmitter is typically blank. That is not correct. To determine if a certain transmitter can withstand conditions in your plant, pay particular attention to the blank. That is not correct. An amplifier that magnifies a signal of 1 millivolt to 10 volts has an amplification of. That is not correct. Which type of device would you use to convert the signal from a central console to a pneumatic valve? A. II. That is correct. A proper use for a JI converter is to A. Amplify a current signal. B. Feed a signal to each device in a parallel circuit. That is not correct. Which of the following is commonly used in a current-actuated analog indicator? A. Bellow. That is correct. The function of a data logger is to blank. That is correct.
Least significant digit, C. Most significant digit, D. Positionally significant. That is correct. In the binary system, 1 plus 1 equals A, 2, B, 4, C, 10, D, 101. That is incorrect. The hexadecimal number system is based on the number A, 2, B, 8, C. That is correct. How many information bits are needed to transmit the number 256 in BCD? A, 3, B, 6, C, 8, D, 12. That is incorrect. The code frequently used for communicating alphanumeric symbols is the A, ASCII. That is correct. Often, a programmable controller receives information about the position of a sensing element from A, an actuator, B, an encoder. That is correct. Which of the following is a reason to use gray code? A. It is easier for computers to read than binary code. B. It is easier for humans to read than binary code. C. It works well with encoders. D. Most printers use gray code. That is correct. A logical AND circuit can be represented by two or more sets of A. Normally closed contacts in parallel, B. Normally closed contacts in series, D. Normally open contacts in parallel, D. Normally open contacts in series. That is correct. Another name for a binary complement is A, and, B, if, C, not, D, or. That is correct. Which of the following can be considered a graphical language? A, basic, B, binary, C, Boolean. That is correct. A, density factor, B, Seybolt number, C, relative density, D, viscosity. That is incorrect. The resistance of a fluid to movement or flow is its A, buoyancy, B, cohesion, C, compressibility, D, viscosity. That is correct. In what kind of flow do frictional resistance and eddy currents occur? A, centerline. That is correct. The kind of fluid flow in a pipe is determined by the size of the pipe, the viscosity and relative density of the fluid, and the... That is incorrect. As a fluid flows through a widening pipe, its A, flow becomes... That is correct. The circulation of an enclosed fluid caused by uneven temperatures is called A, conduction, B, convection, C, head flow. That is correct. A pump that draws liquid from a lower level is said to operate with a static head, B, suction head. That is incorrect. Every inch of vacuum in a pumping system adds how many feet to the suction lift? A. That is incorrect. The distance that a piped fluid flows in a certain amount of time is its A, dynamic flow, B. That is incorrect. Which of the following helps liquid flow in a pipe? A, compressibility, B, friction, C, head pressure, D, viscosity. That is correct.